Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to disable shorts on YouTube Premium. This is very simple. First thing you will have to do is to go to chromewebstore.google.com and search for Enhance YouTube and remove shorts. Click on Add to Chrome, then add extension. Now this extension is really good since you can disable shorts with it. So as you can see, the full guide is right here if you want to learn it. You can go back to YouTube, just click on your extensions right here, click on Enhance YouTube and Productivity, and now, as you can see, deactivate. So choose what do you want to deactivate. Just scroll down where you can see shorts right here. So if you have this toggle blue, that means the shorts are deactivated. Here you can also see the time saved. It is really simple. You have more options here if you want. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.